Hi there, this is Save with Crypto. Okay, so a few people have been mentioning my indicators that I use on TradingView. One of them is this Profit Sniper Perfect Shot. This is quite cool because what happens here is when you get this red line, that's actually when the MACD is crossing down. So that's usually a sort of sign that the trend is going to go down. And when you get a green cross, that means the MACD is crossing up. And then these kind of like sort of waveformy bits here, that's the Chand momentum. And you're looking for when you get the green cross and the red line, they kind of are more relevant if the actual Chand is inside these plus or minus 20 lines here. So let's have a look at Bitcoin. So you can see here, for example, you get the green cross here, and the Chand was well within the plus or minus 20. So when you got that, you got this beautiful pump here, and look at that. If you'd have taken that trade there and gone up to there, you'd have made 5.85%. So doing that on something like 10x leverage, that's like a 50% increase you could have made then. Even this recent dump like today, if you'd have looked at the red line here, that was 3 o'clock this morning, and yet again it was well within the plus or minus 20. So if you'd have taken that then and you'd have shorted, you could have come down to here and you could have made a 2.7% profit, or say 20% on 10x leverage or something like that. So that's a really cool indicator. There's this one I like here as well called Profit Sniper X, which basically gives you kind of long and short sort of signals. You have to use a bit of your own TA, of course, to kind of justify what you're seeing. But, say you'd have taken the short then, fantastic. That would have been really good. So that's a really cool indicator. There's actually quite a lot of indicators with Profit Sniper. And then there's this new one called Super Sniper version 3. And this one actually almost gives you a trade to do. This would have been a short then. And I didn't take it because I'm actually in a long at the moment. That would have been, a really beautiful short, wouldn't it? You could have made a nice bit of money very, very quickly then. Now, Profit Sniper isn't free. There is an offer though, and I've got an even better offer. This is the only trading group I'm in. Not in any others. I'm not in any other kind of, free Discords or Telegram groups or anything like that. This is the only one I'm in, and I find it really profitable. At the moment, the offer is it's $4.99 for lifetime, and as Andy, the owner, put it, that means you're basically buying them a cup of coffee every morning for a year to get lifetime access to everything, and you get so much more. You get this Discord server as well, which I'll show you in a moment. Now that's $4.99. However, if you go to purchase, right. And by the way, this price will be going up on March the 31st at midnight, I believe. It will be going back to $1,499 for life. Okay, so once you've clicked buy now, you need to go up to your cart here. And you'll see the item in the cart. And I've got a coupon code for you, which is save with 10, right? And that gets you 10% off. So apply the coupon. And you can see here that gets you $49.90 off. How's that, eh? I'll just show you the Discord server. Okay, so we got the kind of general chat. There's other stuff if you want to talk about other things. You can talk in the off topic about things. There's resources, there's beginner trading and strategies, things like that. PSC is a guy called Post Sniper Claire. He's a crazy dude who does like mad high leverage kind of trades, but if you follow his trades, more often than not, they're cracking. At the moment, he's having a lot of fun with Alice, a altcoin that's got massive volatility, and he's making a killing. And if you look at the winning trades, you can see here it's like 9%, 17%. Look at this guy, Drill Crack Baby, 308%. Imagine that, tripling your money. 44%, 25%. There are a few for me in there. I can't see one at the moment. 28%. And it's great when you see messages like, from Chaz saying, woke up this morning feeling fine, 25% up. I think this is well worth it. There's some really good stuff there. And it's not really a signals group as such. The emphasis is on trying to teach you how to spot good trades, how to do good trades, how to trade safely, and make a shit ton of money. Now, one of my favourite things about Profit Sniper is that you have access to this tool called Rapid Fire. And what Rapid Fire is, it's a way how you can quickly interact with the ByBit account that you have. And what's even better is you can do stuff like you can use these webhooks. So you can make your TradingView chart interact with your ByBit account. So say, for example, here I had an alert set on a horizontal ray to get into a trade to long Bitcoin. So what I was doing, I was waiting until the price went below the horizontal ray and then came back up, right? So if you're actually there at the time, you can actually push your ray down and get the optimum bottom. So you'll see the price come back up, and when it crosses back up, it will trigger this alert. And what it does, it uses this webhook here, and it does this via a Telegram channel. It's quite clever how it does it. And then you put in this code here. So here it was saying basically buy Bitcoin, 5% of my account with a leverage of 5, and this will automatically buy. It's a bit like doing a limit order, but the advantage here is you're not on the order book, so you're less prone to these kind of things where the price doesn't quite come down to your price because somebody doesn't want to sell it for that price. And conversely, if you've got a stop loss, sometimes you see a thing where the price will just come back to your stop loss, close your trade, and then go back up again. And that's called a liquidity hunt. And you've got these bots that do this kind of like liquidity hunting. And that's the problem with being on the order book on a trading platform. Now, by using your actual TradingView account, it's just your account. And then the only time you interact with the exchange is when the actual price crosses that line. And of course, you can use a horizontal ray, but you could use trend lines as well. Say I was looking to long down here and I had like a trend line like that. And what I could say that when this trend gets broken, so basically when the price crosses up on this trend line, then go into a long, and then that would have done that trade there, which would have been fantastic, wouldn't it? So lots of reasons to get Profit Sniper. So $500, you get $50 off with my thing, so $450. Honestly, if you can't make $450 in a month trading, I don't know what you're doing really. Because even last week when I was in Cornwall, I kind of made about $3,000, and I was just sort of doing little trades on my phone. I wasn't even planning stuff out correctly. I wasn't even planning stuff out very methodically. I was just thinking like, yeah, I fancy that, and just getting in and then and then out again, making a profit. So I don't know, $500. Have a think about it, because time is running out. That'll go up on March the 31st, as I said. Okay, so I'll leave the link for that, and I'll leave the coupon code to get the $50 off in the description. So there you go. That's probably the first thing I've kind of pushed, isn't it? Sort of, sales wise, and it's only because I think these indicators are useful. I think Rapid Fire is useful, and I think the trading group I'm in, the Discord server, is priceless, and it really helps me. And it's paid for itself many, many, many times over. So give it a think. If you think that's interesting, give the video a like. If you think that's nonsense, click dislike twice just to make sure I know. Do leave a nice comment. Make sure you're subscribed, tick the notification bell, and above all, tell your friends.